I'm gonna be putting the battery on the charger first. Oh, she Bobcat. Show you how to do it. So, what you do, you need, I'm using a Phillips, but you need a star head. I don't have a star head, so I'm using a Phillips. And flathead. I don't have a Phillips, so I have a flathead. You got this here. You got this open and just unscrew this screw right there. And then we're gonna get this done. This unplugged and everything. See? Alright, so yeah, this unplugged. You can take this out. And then we gotta take this right here. This code. This is included. Right?
Oh, hook and ladder. He's gone. Touchdown.
And then I'm gonna throw that on the charger because it's really hard with one hand. Without the camera, because it's really hard with one hand. So.
He looked just like the Billy Bob.
So we got this plugged in. When it's plugged in, it'll show red. And then we leave this open. No, I will leave it open, but I always just do it a little bit. I'm gonna do this off camera. So we got it on. It took me a while, but you guys got it short through it. So you'll be seeing this on the channel soon. And then let me go over there and show you the other IC card that I have.
If you still haven't heard about Mountain Bow's jeans,
Traxxas.
you are missing out. Mountain Bow is the #1 premium denim company in comfort and style. Their jeans have dynamic stretch technology to provide absolute flexibility and make them perfect for everyday wear. The denim comes from some of the best denim mills in the world, so their jeans look great and last a very long time. They're probably the most comfortable jeans you'll ever wear. Head on over to mountainbow.com for the perfect balance of fit, style, and comfort.
So we're gonna end this video now. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Bye.